To eliminate the pinching, binding, and discomfort endured with traditional harnesses, FallTech's new horizontal leg strap design gives you the most comfortable and maneuverable harness experience available. To fit into this new harness style, start from the bottom up. Secure the leg strap horizontally in a comfortable location between the center of the thigh up to the inseam of your pant legs. Do not pull the leg straps up in a V shape near the groin. Pull the torso straps through the adjusters to fit the harness to the upper body, ensuring the dorsal D-ring is centered between the shoulder blades while making sure the sub-pelvic strap is positioned below your butt. If there's less than 4 inches of excess webbing between the cam buckle and chest strap, consider moving to a smaller size. The leg straps may need to be readjusted after the harness has been fitted to the upper body. Like traditional harnesses, there should be enough room to slide 2 fingers between the leg and the strap. After correctly fitting the harness, the free-moving torso straps and horizontal leg straps combined provide unrivaled fluid movement and maneuverability, eliminating the need to unbuckle and buckle the leg straps throughout the day. For more information on sizes, fitting, and additional features, including pads and our belted version, consult the user manual or visit FallTech.com.